I stole the GoPro. Brian does not know about this.
We're Brian and Megan.
We're an average American couple who loves to travel and explore.
Welcome to our Average Wild Experience.
Hey guys, it's Megan. I stole the GoPro. Brian does not know about this. I have put an order in for a cake. The tradition is that you save the top tier of your wedding cake when you get married and freeze it, and then you eat it a year later. Well, as we've kind of talked about it in other videos, but in case you don't know, we were Corona bride and groom. We were supposed to get married in the beginning of April, but if you are anywhere near Pennsylvania or any state, really, a lot of things started shutting down in the beginning of March. So we decided, let's not wait till our wedding gets canceled, because the CDC kept changing requirements from no more than 100 people. We were good. We have about 100 people at our wedding, to then 50. So we're like, how do we cut our guest list in half? 3 days later, they said no more than 10. I was like, that's not even our family. So on the 20th of March, I was like, let's get married tomorrow. So fortunately, my dress alterations were done, and Brian had gotten a suit in case this kind of thing happened, because we kind of saw where it was going. And we got married on the 21st of March. Well, obviously there was no wedding cake. There was just our families. So it was our parents and our siblings and our pastor and our photographer. So we did get beautiful pictures, which is great, but we never got the cake. So I've arranged from the bakery where we were going to order our cake to make the top tier. I'm really excited. This cake is amazing. It is lemon raspberry. We sampled it forever ago, and so I've been looking forward to this as well. So like I said, yes, it is a surprise because Brian doesn't know about it, but it's for both of us. So I'm gonna go ahead and go. So I will see you guys when I get back. All right guys, I'm back. The cake looks beautiful, but I don't have much time. I just got off the phone, and I ran out to get groceries because I know he's gonna make steak for us for dinner, either tonight or tomorrow. And so I have like 5 minutes till he gets back. So I'm gonna run inside, and I'm actually gonna set up my phone, and because he'll notice the GoPro that's blinking, but he probably won't notice if a phone's recording. So I'm gonna record with my phone and set it up. I'm gonna put the cake in the fridge, and that way when he opens the fridge, I'm hoping that he'll turn towards the camera because I'm gonna be standing behind the camera. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. And he's gonna be like, oh my gosh, cake, blah. So anyway, hoping that he's surprised and hoping that it's exciting. The cake seriously looks beautiful and so delicious. I'm so excited. All right, I have to run inside. Let's go.
Tradition says you gotta have top of your wedding cake. So I got
Where'd you get that?
Beverly's.
Can you open the fridge?
What flavor is yours?
The raspberry.
We have so much cake.
Oh my god.
The top of your wedding cake in your first anniversary. Except you got yours designed.
I got mine what our cake was supposed to look like.
I know.
I was like, can you just make the top tier of this? And so they...
Oh my gosh. Well.
So this is the cake that Brian got. And I was expecting you to open the fridge and turn around and be surprised. And this is the cake that I bought from the same big shop. Unbelievable. Oh,
That's what happens when you try and pull a fast one with two sweethearts. You do the same thing.
Oh my gosh. I'm like in shock because I literally had the thought today. I was like, wouldn't it be funny if he came home with cake? I didn't expect you to go to Beverly's. We probably just missed each other.
Probably. Oh my gosh.
That's hilarious.
We have lots of cake.
Oh my gosh.
So these are our cake cutters. The date is wrong. We actually had to move it up because of COVID. COVID wedding 2020. So all of our dates are wrong, even on the...
Lovely cake topper here. Yeah. You kind of can't tell, but... So this is my design that I picked for our top tier because I sent in the cake that we were actually supposed to have made, and I was like, hey, can you just make the top tier of this? We were supposed to have it because, as some of you may know, it's traditional to save the top tier from your wedding cake, eat it on your 1 year anniversary. So our 1 year anniversary has rolled around, and obviously we didn't even have a wedding cake at all. So I requested that they make the cake look exactly like how it was supposed to. And then obviously this was supposed to be on the middle tier. They moved it up to the top. But anyway, yeah, so we're going to cut this. And I'm going to ceremonially put this on the top here. Because we're going to pretend.
March 21st, 2020. Totally fine. Better than none. Looks good. I love it.
Using our ceremonial Brian and Megan. That was supposed to be used for our wedding, but it's fine. Anyway, we cut this cake. Look at that. You just don't want to cut up the Megan and Brian thing yet. I guess really M and B.
It's a huge...
It's a huge cake. I was not expecting it to be this big. So like we're just gonna go here.
Yeah.
And I think we might not have dinner for a little bit.
Yeah.
All right. And then April 5th, 2020. Just kidding. Little server here. Let's see how this goes. Maybe. Oh, look at that.
Oh my gosh. Just look at it.
that.
For the record, the flavor is lemon raspberry. So that's what the raspberry filling part is, and it's a lemon cake. Very delicious.
A wonderful cartoon. Look at that. Look at that. You excited?
I am so excited. We actually tasted this cake. They gave us like little cupcakes to try the different flavors. And we tasted this. It was probably January of 2020.
January 16th. I looked up today, actually.
You did look it up? Mm-hmm. Anyway, January of 2020. And we were like, this flavor is the absolute best. This is what we have to have. So I've been looking forward to this for over a year and 2 months. So anyway, yes, cake.
I don't even know where to begin with this cake.
It's so tall.
I'm gonna...
Like normally I would begin with the bottom.
Yeah.
Normally I would begin with the bottom and work my way up so that I get more icing, but I kind of just want the first icing taste. So I think I'm going to take this little top.
You're going that little top?
I'm going to go this top corner to
I was
this
going to do
divide.
the same, actually. I'm going to see if I can get some of the...
I know, I want some of the raspberry.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay, perfect.
We cheated, it's fine.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right. All right, let's do this. It's as lemony as I remember.
It's good. It's so good.
That's just how I remember
it's
the
so
cupcake.
moist. Oh my gosh, it's so good.
That's just how I remember the cupcake.
I wish there was a little bit more of the raspberry filling.
Mm-hmm.
But you get a lot more raspberry filling on a cupcake because obviously it's a little small piece, but this is so good.
That's amazing.
And guess what? We have so much of it. We have 2 cakes worth of it.
This is good. Happy anniversary.
Mm.